today we've come for a morning walk when it has freshly rained and it's pretty wet and a mild weather, and it's such a nice view in this greenery. The grass is so healthy, and there are a few slugs here, so I have to be careful not to step on them. And now we have reached a bridge that you might have seen in the evening walk, but we're going to go a little bit more further, and I'm going to show you something else, and that's a surprise. Now, as you can see, such a green grass. Seems like someone has cut the grass, and it's so smooth and healthy, and there's a lot of green grass. Whoop, there are roads flying. And yes, it's quite windy. As you can see, everyone is taking their dogs to have a walk, and it is really relaxing. And some slugs may be here, but my dad's going to tell me because he's way ahead of me. And walking into the bridge, and we're going to cross the bridge very carefully so that the bridge doesn't break. And then, okay, and I still don't think any snails or slugs have come on, but surely when I go home I will see loads and loads of snails and slugs, and I won't even see my home because my home is filled with snails and slugs. Now guys, I have finally found a slug which is orange, and I never saw such a big slug, and it's a really rare color. And first when I saw this slug, I thought it was just a plastic wrapper thingy, but it's actually a slug. Hello guys. Now, we're not going through that bridge, but we're just going straight forward, and we're going to take a right. And then we're going to go up. Try not to fall down, and then we're going to reach your surprise. Now guys, we have reached your surprise. It's the gym. And we do exercise every day, and we still have. So now I'm going to tell you how to use all these instruments in the gym. So this is what my dad is doing. So this is for your chest muscles to get stronger, and then let's move on to this. And this is for your leg muscles to become stronger. So I'll just show you. Now, carefully sit here. Now, do this to get your leg muscles stronger. But these are only for adults, so not for me. So now, I'm going to. So this is for your what muscles to get stronger again?
Soldiers.
Oh, this is for your shoulders muscles to get stronger, and not for me yet. Oh, my head. Now, as you can see, my dad is doing the exercise. So this is how you get your shoulder muscles stronger. So you use your arms to pull these pulls, and then get the feet higher. And now I'm going to show you my exercising part. So this is where I can hang. So this is where I can hang onto it and get taller. So I'll show you now. I'll just wet. Oh, my hand is soaking. Look how wet it is. You can either swing on it or you can walk. Without having a walk in the whole park, you can just do this. Stretch your legs. Ooh, ooh, or just swing around. This is exercise for your whole body, and hanging onto this pole is an exercise to get taller. Now this is another kind of leg exercise, and I'm allowed to do this, of course. Now I can't reach up that high, so I'm just holding onto these poles and then do this. Just pull your arms through. And now I have finished exercising in the gym. I'm still good. Now you're gonna see everything green and black. And now, because of walking in this park in the morning, I didn't just get exercise. I also got energy, and that's the best part of this. So whenever you are tired and bored in the morning, don't know what to do, then just go for a walk. You'll feel so fresh and clean when you sweat, and all the rubbish gets out of your body, and it's really nice, and you feel very healthy. So this is a nice way to make your body even healthier and fresh, and this changes your life completely. So you should always have a walk in the morning, and this is the best part. And a morning walk is better than an evening walk. That's the best part of it. We're going home, and I might find a few slugs and snails here because there are mostly slugs and snails on the road, but instead of in the park. So I've just seen my school right around the corner, and I've seen everyone's self-portraits, and I don't think I saw mine, but I might have. And now we're going to, oh my God. My daddy is so fast. He looks like he's jogging so slowly, but he's actually really fast.